your friend Himal Dangal. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install Lubuntu in your PC without any errors. Okay, let's come in our business and let's start right here right now. Okay, first of all, today in this video I'm going to show you how to install Lubuntu by using bootable USB drive. Okay, I'm not showing by using a live CD or something like that. So let's make sure that I'm going to show you how to install it by bootable USB drive. So at first what we need are requirements. Okay, let's see. First of all, we need pen drive, maybe 4 GB or more, because its ISO file is about 1.1 or something like that, but it is 4 GB pen drive is needed. You can take any pen drives more than 4 GB. So after that we need ISO file of Lubuntu. Okay, as a file of Lubuntu. I also have to download it after a while, so let's have a patience right here right now. Okay, after that we need a universal USB drive. Okay, it's a software which is used to make our pen drive bootable. Okay, we need this. I also have to download it, so don't worry about it. Okay, let's close it for now. And okay friends, please help me by subscribing my channel and by hitting the bell icon so you are connected with me. Please subscribe my channel. Okay, let's come in our business. At first let's download universal USB installer. Okay, I'll give this link in the description, so not to worry about it. Okay, here is download button. You can easily find it right here right now. Start now. You can go for it and you can download it. Okay, after that, after downloading universal USB installer, we need as a file of Lubuntu. Okay, here we go. As a file of Lubuntu. Okay, you can find it right here. Go for download it, and you can download whether it's 64-bit or whether you can go for 32-bit. Okay, this is 32-bit into 86 and it is 64-bit AMD 64. Okay, you can find it. It is quite easy to download it. I'll give this link in the description how to download it, so no need to worry about it for it. Okay, now after that, just close it and let's close it for now. After downloading universal USB installer and as file of Lubuntu, let's head towards the folder where we have kept those two files. Okay, I'm going there. Okay, okay, here it is my Lubuntu 18.04 64-bit. Okay, after downloading Buzz's USB installer, just double click on it and here's a pop-up, go for yes, and after that go for I agree and choose a operating system. You can find it Lubuntu right here right now and go for browse the file. Okay, you have to go to the folder where you have kept the Lubuntu. So let's go for phone and let's show our drives right here. Okay, after that let's choose our pen drive and let's choose this anti-FS format. Okay, and after that make sure that you have choose the right one, otherwise it may lead to many problems. So choose the right one and just go for create. It may take up to 6 to 7 minutes, so have patience. For now I'm not creating because I've already created a bootable USB drive. So after that let's head towards the partitioning. Okay, you can go for manage. Okay, let's wait. Okay, after that disk management. Okay, here it is disk management and you can see this right here, some partition. Okay, make sure that where we have installed the Windows. Okay, this is the partition where I have installed the Windows. So let's not format it or let's not do anything because this may lead to a lot of problems. So let's not target it, and this is the partition where I'm going to install the Lubuntu. Okay, for now I'm not doing anything because I can rewrite this partition while installing the Ubuntu. While installing Lubuntu after some time. Okay, so make target or make choose your partition and let's not do anything right now. Let's do while installing it. Okay, if you have allocated this space, then you can make a new partition to install it. If you don't have, then let's not do anything for now. So let's close it. And before starting our PC, I want to say a little bit about the Lubuntu. Okay, Lubuntu is a lightweight Linux distribution which is totally based on Ubuntu. Okay, that means that okay, if you know how to install or how to use Ubuntu, you can easily install and understand Lubuntu. It is totally based on um, Ubuntu. It may be called a mini package of Ubuntu because Ubuntu is quite heavy in Lubuntu. Okay, let's restart our PC without any delay. So okay, let's restart. Okay, after restarting your PC, turn your boot setup key. Okay, after that you can see this pop-up window right here and go for your whatever it is drive. Okay, where is mine? Okay, after that you can see this option right here. Go for this first option, so go for inner, and you should wait for some minutes because it is loading its components, so it may take a while. So let's have a patience and let's wait. Until that, you can subscribe my channel. You can see the or you can just see the subscribe button just a little below the video, so you can go for subscribe and like my video if you like till now. So let's wait. It may take a while, maybe up to 5 minutes, so let's have a patience and let's wait until that. And until this process is completed, let me say you something and let me remind you about Lubuntu. Lubuntu is quite similar to Ubuntu. If you know how to use Ubuntu and how to install it, then you can easily understand about Lubuntu. So as you can see, Lubuntu is totally based on Ubuntu. You can see that Lubuntu is a mini package of Ubuntu. Generally features are quite similar to Ubuntu. So let's wait until Lubuntu is successfully loaded. Okay, after Lubuntu is loaded, you can see this screen slide here. You can see the option called trash. It is a recycle bin. It is called recycle bin in Windows, but we call trash in Linux, generally in all Linux. Okay, then the second button, this is for installation, and here you can see this another button, and just like that you can see here file manager. I think it is, yep, it is a file manager, and just like that, yeah, you can see this other partitions here. So let's go this for now, everything, close tabs, and let's go for this also. And without wasting any time, and let's head towards installation. Let's double click on it. Let's go open. We should wait until it is loaded. Installation component is successfully loaded. Yeah, after that you can see here, you can choose your language. Mine is Nepali, but installation quite big, quite difficult, so let me choose the English for now. After that you can see here keyboard layout. Let's go for English for now. Okay, you can see this option here. Yeah, you can see this normal installation, minimal installation, and this last one, third party software for graphics and hardware, something like that. So don't forget to check this button because it is quite needed, so don't forget to check this. And after that I prefer to choose this normal installation because installation during normal installation web browser etc are installed, but minimal installation you can only install web browser and basic utilities, basic utilities. So let's go for normal installation for now, which I prefer, and let's go for continue. It may take a while, so don't worry. Until that, it may take up to 5 to 7 minutes, so let's wait. Okay, after that you can see this pop-up window. Let's not do anything. Let's go for close it for now, and let's wait until this installation of the software and updates is successfully completed. Yep, now you can see it is successfully completed. Now let's go for something else because we are going to install it along with our Windows 10. So let's go for continue. After that, disks and partition are loaded here. You can see this disks. This is the partition where I have installed the Windows, and this is the other partition where I want to install Lubuntu. So what should I do? I should just go for this one. Don't forget to don't make any mistake while choosing partition, because while choosing partition, if you choose the wrong partition where Windows are installed, then all our files will be deleted, and you can be in a lot of problems. So don't forget to choose the right partition. So this is the partition we want to install Lubuntu. So I'm going for this. You can see this here, and after that you can see this piece which just I have created, and let's go for this. And you can see you can choose this one, first one, and after that don't forget to choose this mount point backward slash, then go for OK. And after that choose this middle button. Yep, choose this middle button and go for, and right here you can see this here, device for bootloader installation. Let's go for devs sara data hard disk, because this is the hard disk where sorry, I want to make this as a master bootloader. Lubuntu as master bootloader, so I'm going to use this whole hard disk. So let me go for install now, go for continue. Now you have to choose your time. I'm from Nepal, so I'm going for Kathmandu. Here it is Kathmandu, and let me go for continue. And you should choose a username for your PC. Okay, here it is my username, and let's pick a password. Okay, let me choose a password here. Pick something unclear so that others don't know about your password, and let's go for continue. Don't forget this username and password because it is needed while logging into our computer. So let's go for continue after that. And you can see this here, copying files and resources. Okay, it is a most important step where the files and resources are copied. You can see this window, it is upon that welcome to Lubuntu. So after when it is completed, you can see the another window. So let's wait until this installation process is completed. If you have time, then you can just subscribe. Just you can find the subscribe button below the video. Help me by subscribing my channel. So let's come in our business and wait for some minutes. It may take 20 to 25 minutes until the installation is completed. Okay, after installation is completed, you can see this window here. You can read it. Installation has finished. You can continue testing Lubuntu now, but until you should restart your PC or blah blah blah. Okay, after that just go for restart now, and when it is successfully restart, you can see the dual boot option. You can choose whether Lubuntu or you can choose whether Windows 10. Okay, so let's say to our restart now. So thank you for watching. I'll make such video if you subscribe and like my channel. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Jai Nepal.